By the time I go to bed tonight, I will have made $6,000 in the last 2 days, and here's how I did it. Yesterday morning, I woke up bright and early and hit the road and went to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where I looked at a fire damage claim. Tenant in the property said that they left the house, and when they came back, fire took place on top of the stove. Checked out the roof, all 3 sides of the home because it's Philly and it's a row home. Inspected the entire interior where there's fire damage and soot all throughout. After I finished that up, I hit the road and headed straight to Long Island, New York. While I was driving, I tried to do as much of my written report and estimate for that fire damage claim because that's how I do. Stopped for a late lunch, finished up my report, my estimate, and put together a bill for just under $3,000. After that, I did another claim in Long Island, New York. Water damage, an entire floor plan is what I had to look at. By the time I checked all that out, it was kind of late in the day, so I didn't write up my report. Went out to dinner instead. Drank a couple old fashions because you know how I do. Then this morning, bright and early, got up, loaded my vehicle on top of a ferry, and then shot over to Waterbury, Connecticut, where I checked out another water damage claim. This one was just a leaky roof. I'll write that one up for probably about $1,000. You take your $3,000, you take your $2,000, you take your $1,000. Add them all up, what do you get? $6,000. If you want to do some like this, you got to get started by getting a license. And even after you get a license, it doesn't mean you're going to start getting work like that. You need to get your sales, you need to get your marketing down, and you need to know what the you're doing. And if you want to learn what the you do, hit me with a follow below.